If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Unsharp mask filter in Photoshop applies sharpening by increasing contrast on edges in a photo layer or smart object layer. This technique is most easily shown in pictures intended for on screen display, but also works well for printed images. However, for printed images, you may need to adjust the settings to optimize the printed quality. The Unsharp mask filter in Photoshop works by finding pixels that differ from neighboring pixels by a threshold value you choose. It then increases the contrast of the pixels by an amount you select. This affects neighboring pixels within a radius you choose by lightening lighter pixels and darkening darker pixels. This corrects blur that can occur when photographing, resampling, or scanning photos. To apply the Unsharp mask filter to a selected raster layer or smart object layer, select Filter, Sharpen, Unsharp Mask from the menu bar to open the Unsharp Mask dialog box. Ensure the Preview checkbox is checked so you can preview the filter in the dialog box as you make changes. To change the preview magnification, click the Zoom Out and Zoom In buttons below the preview. To pan the preview, click and drag in the preview image. To enter the percentage of contrast to apply to the pixels, click and drag the amount slider or type a value into its adjacent field to set the desired percentage. To set the number of neighboring pixels to sharpen around the edge, click and drag the radius slider or enter a pixel value into its adjacent field. Lower values sharpen only the pixels around the edges, while higher settings sharpen larger areas of pixels. To set how different pixels must be from the surrounding area before they are considered edge pixels sharpened by the Unsharp mask, click and drag the threshold slider or enter a level number into its adjacent field. The level represents the tonal difference between the pixels on a scale from 0 to 255. Pixels with tonal range differences greater than or equal to the threshold value are considered edge pixels and sharpened by the Unsharp mask. The default value of 0 sharpens all pixels in the image. If needed, to reset changes made in the Unsharp Mask dialog box, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and then press the Reset button that replaces the Cancel button. Alternatively, to cancel applying the Unsharp Mask, click the Cancel button. Alternatively, to apply the Unsharp Mask filter after changing its sharpening settings to the desired values, click the OK button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.